Hey there YouTube. Today I want to do a quick video on these Zipwall poles. I paid $160 at Menards for these, and my wife convinced me to get them. I was actually cheaping out and did not think that they would be worth it. But I gotta say, it really makes the difference when you're renovating in a house that you're still living in. If you're a contractor, this would be even better. We actually taped it to the ceiling with packing tape and duct tape. We bought 1 mil clear 9-foot plastic wrap. I'm really glad I didn't cheap out on this either, because I've used this roll for multiple things now. And I don't have to run to the store to get wrap, so it's really nice. It also comes with this abnormally large storage case. I think they give you a bigger case because they want you to buy more of these poles, and then it does have a nice benefit that you can put your plastic wrap in this bag too. It's so big. It's unnecessarily large. It's like Amazon box large. 4 poles. Giant bag. And I actually just found the box while I was putting it away. The model number is ZP4. Made in PRC, which actually means People's Republic of China. Here's everything that came in the kit when new. It came with the 4 poles. These 2 little metal things. I don't remember ever seeing those, actually. It did come with the 2 zippers and the 4 floor grips, which are actually white in color, not red. So the kit that I ordered comes with 2 zippers that you're supposed to use in one time, and then you have a flap, and then you roll the flap up, and so you use 2 zippers. Well, I didn't want to burn through zippers, so I just did a single zipper there, and it works really good. I just put my foot on the bottom of the zipper there and lift up. There we go, that's enough to get through, and since the bottom isn't taped down, it's no problem. And in here is construction and destruction and debris. And out here is lovely, dust-free, for the most part, living. Of course, let me zip that back up. These are the 10-foot poles, Zipwall 10. They come with the floor grip discs that, even though this is rubber, these do help. Then you put the plastic between the black plate and the red plate, and then you lock it in. I haven't pushed these up against ceiling tile, and it didn't damage them because it's spread out so much. How this works is there's this pad here, and it's on a ball joint, and you release this. This comes off too if you want, but you put the plastic sandwich between this black thing and this red thing, and there's little grippies here. That holds onto your plastic, and then this holds on to the ceiling, and it's pretty grippy. I actually took off a little bit of my ceiling paint there, but we had this up for about a month. And then you just unscrew each section, starting at the top, and then tighten and lift up. And once you make contact there, it's spring loaded, and it kind of holds against the ceiling. Then you twist this clockwise, and it holds pretty good. It's important that you have negative air pressure in the area you're working in. Just had our kitchen foamed, flat roof foamed. It's about an hour after they got done, and it still smells really bad in there, but in here, in the living room, can't even smell it. We do have an extraction fan running now, but we did not have that running when we first got back. And yeah, this is really loving the Zipwall. Okay, so another win for the Zipwall. We've just been sanding this drywall, put another coat on, going for a really smooth finish, a lot of sanding, and didn't get any drywall dust in our living area. But here's our stove. No dust on it. So again, if you're DIYing, the Zipwall is a great value. Alright, so we finished all of our drywall sanding and we've moved on to painting. And we vacuum most of the dust up, not all. You can see my footprint. But over here, the new cabinets, you can see, for example, the TV. No dust on the TV. Amazing. Even though we can't really use the TV right now. And I used packing tape to tape it to my hardwood floors, which probably wasn't the best move, but I ran out of painter's tape. But you can see the contrast. Yeah, in conclusion, these Zipwall 10s are pretty amazing. Just an amateur DIYer giving an honest review. Don't like, don't subscribe, but I hope this was valuable to you.